Mikesvanlife. So this is my sink I got from IKEA, $24, a hand pump sink, which I love. And I purchased these right here, these little lights at Sam's Club, battery operated. You can just twist. And this light system, it turns on, you got green, blue, red, white, which is pretty awesome. This is my bed. It's a bench, so it flips out into a bench. And I will stick a picture of it here somewhere so you can actually see what it looks like when it's in bench mode and in bed mode. So, and as you can see, my solar panel, 150 watt energy, and I am going to be running power system. It's going to be the Yeti Go Zero, and I'm going to install a roof fan in the near future. I'm not going to install it because I'm not very good at cutting things, but as you can see, my walls is bare. I have panels on them that actually came with it, which I'm not actually going to insulate the van at all. Live in Kentucky, so I'm giving my apartment up in December, so this is going to be my home after December. So this is what it looks like, and this is probably what it's going to stay like, besides the fan that's going to be installed with the fan. Then I might come with another cabinet. What I want to do is do a bed across, maybe in the future. Who knows, we'll see. It's kind of spacious. For me it is. I like it because all I need is this. Brush my teeth, do what I need to do. That's it. But thanks very much for watching. If you want more updates to come, join me, subscribe, and thanks very much for watching.